I grew up in Minnesota, and prior to knowing Jordan, I had never even been to Hazeltine, and I always grew up knowing it was this really great, prestigious place to be a part of. Major tournaments were here, it was known around the world. Anyone could get married here. Our wedding was Friday, April 10th. Our decision to get married at Hazeltine was great, especially looking back on it now. Where it's located, the beauty of it, the staff, the connections the staff even has to outside vendors, the food.
Christine was very specific and particular about the chair covers and the uplighting and having everything be kind of the color and flow of our wedding colors and our look. And the staff was fantastic in putting that all together, and getting text messages and emails answered, that was almost instantaneous and fantastic to work with. The benefits of having a Friday wedding was it almost appeared that there was an increased availability in a lot of the vendors that we wanted to work with. There were certain things, the small stuff, like having the fire pit, having the lights on the trees, where they really bent over backwards for us and kind of included everything in the package.
Another thing we found too about having our wedding on a Friday is that we were able to have more guests. We were able to have friends who had other previous commitments, even for the weekend, be able to come because it was a Friday evening. When I first walked into Hazeltine, I was like, yes. I just kind of felt like these big pressures of the day were done, and you were getting to this venue that you couldn't wait to then see everyone more.
The ballroom is one thing, and that's really where the head table is in the dance floor. But this reception area out here where we are today is beautiful, and you really have a great view of the 10th hole and the 18th and 9th green, and you really have a great look down at Lake Hazeltine, and it's a spectacular spot to be right about at sunlight, where we were out taking pictures, but I know people had a great experience in here.
We paid a lot of attention to those details. Hazeltine delivered. They brought our vision and our hope and for what we wanted our wedding experience to be to life.
They created a special memory that we'll have forever now.